I got the SR-71 Blackbird by Lockheed Martin. As a kid, this is by far my most favorite designed aircraft. I just thought it was the coolest looking thing. It just felt like it could go fast. And I like speed. I'm not gonna say I'm a speeder. I do like going racing and going fast. Very competitive. So this was a long range Mach 3.5 plus strategic reconnaissance aircraft developed by Lockheed and its Skunk Works division. It was the first aircraft to be constructed mainly of titanium. At full velocity, the airplane surface heats up to over 260 degrees Celsius, 500 degrees Fahrenheit. A total of 3,551 missions were flown and not one Blackbird was lost. Due to enemy military retaliation, note Skunk Works is the nickname for Lockheed's advanced development program. Skunk Works engineers have developed highly advanced military aircraft, often in secret since World War II. And just look at that plane, dude. It just looks futuristic. Have it zoom and just look at that. Look at that shape. Beautiful paraping. Surface view. Got a little tilt going, increasing altitude. And boy, is that beautiful. Look at that underside. There's the back. Actually, it looks like you're just looking at the back of the plane. Top angle view. It's so long. There we go. There we go.